Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best semi-rigid card holder is probably one of the most underrated accessories, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just someone who likes to keep their cards safe, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of semi-rigid card holders, exploring what makes them great and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Cardboard Gold Card Saver 1, Trading Card Protectors. These card savers are expertly designed for a wide range of trading cards. With their specific size, they are ideal for baseball, football, and other sports cards. It ensures optimal and stylish protection for any card in your collection. Crafted from superior-grade crystal-clear plastic, it offers exceptional durability and protection. The acid-free semi-rigid plastic ensures your cards are shielded from damage, while maintaining a pristine view of your valuable collection. This product is designed for ultimate convenience, easily fitting into card sleeves, binders, storage boxes, and display cases. Available in bulk packs, they offer an ample supply for all your trading card storage and protection needs. Cardboard Gold is a trusted name in card protection. It ensures you receive a reliable and high-quality product for your card collection needs. They create perfectly designed card savers for grading submissions while providing a secure fit to protect your cards. Originating at the 1987 National Sports Collectors Convention, card savers rapidly became the preferred choice. With over 400 million in circulation, its legacy speaks volumes. This is thanks to the collectors, dealers, distributors, and card grading companies that consistently opt for this product. What we like. This holder is designed to fit a wide range of cards, from vintage to modern. It offers superior protection with its durable, crystal-clear plastic. If you have a diverse collection of cards that you want to keep safe, this is the perfect choice. It's also trusted by grading agencies, so you can be sure that it will keep your cards safe during the grading process. What people say. These card savers provide excellent protection and are perfect for grading submissions. The semi-rigid design ensures that my cards stay secure and protected from bending or damage. Inserting and removing cards is a breeze, and the snug fit keeps the cards in place without any risk of slipping out. These card savers are also lightweight and take up less space than traditional top loaders, making them ideal for storage and shipping. Number 4. Go Delight Semi-Rigid Card Holders. These semi-rigid card holders are precisely engineered for PSA and BGS grading submissions. The perfect sizing ensures that your valuable collectibles are protected from damage during the grading process, making submission easy. Protect your prized cards from bending, fading, and corner damage. These trading card sleeves are designed to safeguard your collection. With these, you can keep your cards safe. No more unpleasant surprises when removing your cards. These hard plastic card sleeves and penny sleeves leave no residue. Your collectibles will remain pristine. The card protector features a 1-2 lip ensuring effortless insertion and removal. Whether you're showing off a prized possession or prepping for grading, your cards glide in and out with ease. The design is tailor-made for collectors. The fit, the look, the feel, it's optimized for you. These graded card sleeves are designed with collectors in mind. What we like. This holder is perfectly sized for PSA and BGS grading submissions, ensuring a secure fit and easy insertion. It provides high protection, safeguarding your cards from bending and corner damage. If you are looking to submit your cards for grading, this holder will make the process smooth and safe. It's designed to protect your cards from start to finish. What people say. These sleeves are great especially if you plan on sending cards in to get graded. Can fit anything up to patch cards. Thick and scratch resistant. Solid and sized as needed. They are slimmer than I expected and I love it. Clear and durable. Excellent to send cards for grading. Number 3. BCW1 SR1 Semi-Rigid Card Holder. Introducing the BCW Semi-Rigid Card Holder. This holder provides superior protection for your cards. It is made from high-quality PVC to keep your cards safe from harm. This deluxe holder is a real time saver. It makes it easy to organize and protect your cards. Whether you're a collector or a dealer, it offers a convenient way to store and transport your cards. The number 1 semi-rigid holder is not just for grading cards. It's also perfect for small personal documents. You can be assured that your important documents will remain safe and secure. BCW semi-rigid card holders are made from the highest quality materials. This ensures that your cards and documents are protected from damage. The holders contain no harmful materials, so they will not damage your cards. BCW has been a trusted name in the industry for over 30 years. This product is no exception. Customers expect the highest quality, and this product delivers on that promise. You can trust that your cards and documents are in good hands. What we like. This holder offers superior protection with high-quality, stationary-grade PVC. It's also a convenient and time-saving solution for organizing and protecting your cards. If you are looking for a holder that can protect your cards and small documents, this is the one for you. It is a versatile choice for collectors and dealers alike. What people say. Easy to use, cards fit perfectly. Great card protection for PSA, they worked as intended. Made from high-quality semi-rigid plastic, these holders offer superior protection while remaining lightweight and flexible. The clear design ensures full card visibility. Fits standard-size trading cards, 2.5x 3.5, securely without movement. Stacks neatly for easy storage. Number 2. 200 CD semi-rigid card holders. These card holders are designed to keep your cards safe. They are perfect for protecting your collection from damage. Made from durable plastic, this product is built to last. The high-quality material ensures that it will protect your cards for a long time. The 1-2 lip provides a secure fit for standard grading cards. This feature prevents the cards from sliding out, keeping them safe. The semi-rigid design prevents bending and protects your cards from dust and dirt. This design adds an extra layer of protection for your valuable cards. The clear design allows you to easily view your cards. You can admire your collection without removing them from the holders. With a 200 CD pack, you'll always have enough card holders. This ensures you're prepared to protect your entire collection. What we like. This holder is made from high-quality, durable plastic with a secure fit to keep your cards safe. The semi-rigid design prevents bending and keeps your cards safe from damage. If you are looking for a holder that is both durable and easy to use, this is the one for you. It's a great choice for protecting your cards. What people say. The card holders are very clear and fit the cards perfectly. They are very durable and protect the cards well. The semi-rigid design provides excellent protection. Number 1. Ultra Pro Graded Card Submission Kit. Are you looking for a way to keep your trading cards safe? This kit is designed to protect your cards during submission. It provides everything you need to keep them secure. The kit includes 200 semi-rigid holders. They are perfect for protecting your cards from bending and scratches. This will keep them in top condition. Each holder comes with a 1-2 lip tall sleeve. These sleeves add an extra layer of protection. It helps prevent damage during handling and shipping. This kit is specifically designed for graded card submissions. It ensures your cards are well protected throughout the grading process. It's a must-have for any collector. The included storage box keeps everything organized. It's easy to store and transport your cards. This makes it simple to keep track of your collection. What we like. This holder features a tall design with a 1-2 lip for easy insertion and removal. It also comes with a storage box to keep your cards organized. If you are looking for a holder that offers both protection and convenience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for storing and submitting your graded cards. What people say. The card holders are very clear and fit the cards perfectly. They are very sturdy and protect the cards well. The semi-rigid design provides good protection without being too bulky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.